Hi guys, it's Anne here again and welcome to another episode of Very Unusual. So in this video, I'll be talking about this facial brush. It's really useful for me and actually I've been using it for months already. I got it from Amazon and actually it came with this box charger. So you could use it as a stand like this when you store it. At the same time, it's also a charger where you could connect the USB. It came with another brush, so you could replace this one when it's overused, already worn out. Actually, the bristles are very soft and gentle on skin. I've been seeing this product for a while, but it's only now that I've gotten my hands on this one. It's because at first I thought it would be harsh on my skin. I don't want to strip off my face too much. But considering how soft the bristles are, so it's good even for those who have super sensitive skin. Plus, you won't use it for long. It just takes around 1 minute to complete the process of cleaning. And I'll be showing that to you. But before that, I'll just like to talk to you more about this one. So I thought it's quite affordable, plus it's really handy, plus the fact that it came with another brush. And at the same time, it's very easy to use. And of course, it's kind of sleek and sturdy. It's well made. So I already removed my makeup with my cleansing oil. So now I'm ready to use my cleanser, my Cetaphil cleanser. So there are two ways where you could use this one. First, you could apply the cleanser directly on the brush. And then one is you could apply the cleanser on your face. So since when I'm using my Cetaphil cleanser, I don't mix it with water anymore because it's such a gentle cleanser and it doesn't bubble much, it doesn't foam too. That's why I'd rather apply it directly on the brush like that. Okay, that looks good. So then we're ready to use it. So just power on, and then it has 3 modes. Hear that? So you could start on your forehead. Just glide it over. It's very soothing too. So when you hear that sound, then you have to move it on another area. So then your nose and your jawline. You could adjust the mode depending on your preference, but for me, it's always the low mode. When you hear that again, you could then move it to your right cheek. Sorry, it's hard to talk. And then that one on your left cheek. So basically that's it. So after using, that's it. It's very simple. So it's just 1 minute overall. And after that, you could just wash your face and then you'll feel how soft your face is after just using this one. So I use it every night and it does the cleaning very much because cleaning our face is very important so as to have the rest of our skincare products properly absorbed, right? So that's simple. Now, when cleaning it, I'm still talking with my cleanser on. Anyway, when you could clean it once after it, you just have to remove this one, the brush, and then just wash it with, then wash the brush with water and just air dry. Now, if you'd like to clean this too, you may do so. Just wipe it in the inside. Practically once a week will do. Okay, very simple and it's very easy to maintain. And when it's dry, you could just put this back so as to keep it away from dust. Okay. So basically that's it, guys. It's very simple and easy to use. So if you are in a hurry, you know, to wash your face in just 1 minute, you could have your face really clean. That's why I really recommend this one. Now, if you're quite hesitant to use it in the morning, it's okay. Just use it at night, especially if you have sensitive skin. That's it, and I hope you find this video useful once again. And if you do, please don't forget to give it some love and subscribe to this channel. New video every Saturday. Click that bell button, and of course, follow me on Instagram at Very Unusual. I'll see you again next week. Bye! Happy weekend!